Hello, beautiful soul family. I am Nicole, and I am Eldora and Saman's personal assistant, and I am so excited to be hopping on here to chat with you today because I have some exciting news. The Office of Christ is hiring. That's right, we're hiring, and as many of you probably already know, we are planning the Croatia New Earth Music Festival. So the first position that we're looking for is a kick-ass event planner that can help us bring our vision into a reality in Croatia over New Year's Eve. So if you are an amazing event planner who has experience planning large festivals, if you have great communication skills, great leadership skills, if you have these traits, we want to hear from you. So please email us at talent@houseofra.com and tell us why you are the perfect fit to be the event planner for the Croatia New Earth Music Festival. And not only that, we're also looking for some great workshop facilitators. So if you or someone you know is an amazing workshop facilitator who has experience, we're not looking for amateurs, we want the best of the best, but if you have experience planning workshops such as Tantra, Divine Masculine and Divine Feminine, womb healing, meditation, dance workshops, all of the above. The sky is truly the limit. We want to hear your unique ideas, your unique experiences, your unique strengths, and what makes you an amazing workshop facilitator for the Croatia New Earth Music Festival. So write to us and tell us why we should bring you onto our team. I am so excited to work with you. I am so excited to see many of you in Croatia at the New Earth Music Festival. It is going to be unlike anything you have ever experienced. I can tell you, and please take it from me, I was in Tulum at the New Earth Music Festival and I entered the fifth dimension. I have went up so many different timelines since being in Tulum, and I know that Croatia is going to be a whole nother level. That's right. So I'm so excited to see you there. I love you all. Thank you for tuning in. Eldora and Saman send their love, and we will see you all soon. Have a beautiful day.